Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to get a GitHub API key. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com. If you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. So here is the main page where in the upper right corner, you're going to have the login button. If you do not already have an account, you can use the sign up button to create a new one. So after that, just log in, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we can take a look at our repositories. We have our home page with all our info and so on. And now we can get started. So basically guys, how do we go ahead and access our API key for any repository that we want to use, share, and so on? It's easy as this. So what you want to do is go right here into the upper right corner. In the upper right corner, you can click on your profile icon. By clicking on your profile icon, it's going to open up this new drop down menu with multiple options that you can access. What we want to do is click the settings option. The settings option is going to open up this new settings menu where we can take a look at all the options we have, our profile, appearance, and so on. What we want to do is scroll all the way down. Scroll all the way down while in this menu, you can find the developer settings. Here are your developer settings that you want to take a look at. So click on developer settings, and guys, now after opening up your developer settings, here we can go ahead and take a look at our personal access tokens. These are going to be our tokens and our API keys. You can see here we can go ahead and generate new tokens that we're going to go ahead and be using for GitHub API. So here you can get started generating new tokens and classic tokens, however you prefer, and get started using it. And that is how to get your API keys. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.